Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be solving another LeetCode question. So today we have LeetCode number 338, counting bits. It goes like, given an integer n, return an array answer of length n plus 1 such that for each I, the answer of I is the number of ones in its binary representation. So yesterday we solved count the number of set bits, which is basically counting the number of ones in a number's binary representation. And this is just like an additional step to that. I know there are multiple ways of solving, but I'll just stick to the basic one. So we can just rewrite the count1 function and then make use of that for each of the number in the array. So that should pretty much solve the question. So we have count1 takes an integer, and then count 0. So this is basically counting the number of ones, so we can just have the number right shifted by the ith position, and we just end it with 1, and if that is 1, then our count simply appends count. So we have our count1's function for this one for each. So let's just have the answer array, and I don't even need to. We just have the answer array, and then for int I from 0, from 0 less than n plus 1 I plus push back count ones off. I know this is an n square because like we already have a for loop, and then inside that we're calling another function which uses again a for loop, so it's n square. But since the constraints is only up to 10 power 5, the n square solution works fine. So count ones of the number I, return res. Let's see if this works. There we go. Okay, let's just have another bracket. Okay, how about now? Okay, answer. Yep, so this works. Think we should be good, yeah. So that's it. Counting bits question solved. So there is another way where you just constantly like divide it by 2, like mod 2 and then divide it by 2, so that you count only the ones, and then you have an array already set, and you just update the index over there with the number of ones. But I'm choosing to stick with a simpler solution based on the constraints. So yeah.